Students, we are discussing last class onwards the problems of India and the solutions. So in that, now we are discussing one of the important problems in world, not only in world, in our country also. That is problem is terrorism. So this is also one of the important problems still we are facing in India. And in this class, we are discussing about what was the reasons for the problem of terrorism, and we are discussing next one what was the effects, and last how to solve the problem of terrorism. So these are the matters we are discussing in this session. And first of all, when we are discussing about the terrorism, before that we want to know, already we discussed in communalism, same ideology, same philosophy we can apply in terrorism also. We can say is another shape of communalism, or next step of communalism is terrorism, because of both also same. But here we can see some of the forward thoughts or forward ideologies we can see in terrorism. So that's why we can say terrorism is next shape of or another shape of communalism. So in this class we are discussing about the terrorism. Why we are calling that, like why this is one of the biggest problem in India, not only in India, in world. There are so many of countries now was still they are facing the problem of terrorism. So what was the problems? Why they are facing these like of problems? So this only now we are discussing in this class. Okay, first of all they are given terrorism we can say as a extremism. Extremism means in that in only showing that one what we did in communalism. Only we are given more importance about our caste or our religion. So in that extra ideas or extra thoughts we are implemented in terrorism. For example, here they given this is a method. Why they give calling that like only extremism? Because of here they given the definition. In this terrorism, there is in some of the methods. What are the methods? First one they saying that putting pressure on a government. The main aim of terrorism always they want to give a pressure to government. If any incident or any work or any terrorism aims, if you are identified or if you are going to study about that one particular terrorism, you can see that one they all are against the government. That only main ambitions of terrorist. So on this based now we can say what was the definition of terrorism. What is mean by terrorism? So here they given definition, that is terrorism based on political ideologies. They have some of the political ideology, means they want to rule the country or rule the people or rule the group. Means they have the political ideology. This like only government we need. We need this like also this like of rules and regulations. Means they have political ideology. Next one they are saying that one religious faith. Who are they involved in terrorism or they become a terrorist? They all also they have any one religious faith. They believing any one religion. They always encouraging that religion faith they want to implement in that particular society or that particular country. So first one they have political ideology. Second one religious faith. Next one they are given is ideological belief creates a lot of loss. So in that based of ideology, religious faith and political ideology, and there's some other thoughts also, which methods we want to use to implement this like of government or administrative system. So in that purpose they are using different types of methods. Next class or next one part we are discussing that only. So in that they are saying that they want to implement the ideologies. So on this way they are doing here, they given the definition in they creates lot of loss. They damaging private properties as well as public property also. So these like of group we are given name as a terrorism. Means now we are understood what is mean by terrorism means they creating political ideologies and religious beliefs, and their ideologies they're implementing. How they implementing? Here they given, they creates a loss of public and private properties. So this only given name as a communalism. Sorry, this only they given name as a terrorism. So next we want to discuss in the terrorism, we can see in our society that one moving as a negative way. Sometimes psychologically people's they hating the group. Mentally we already decided these are the group are terrorist, means these religion groups are terrorist. So this is one of the important problem effects. And next one they are saying that one, another one here they given influence the cultural aspects, and second one our tradition and cultural. Both also peoples they believing fully negative. They are thinking, oh, this caste group only know they are doing terrorist or terrorism, they only involving in terrorism, or they only become a terrorist. So should not believe that particular culture or that particular peoples, should not give respect or any rights to that particular group. So when we are giving this like of encouragement of terrorism, our society become negative way, our thoughts also become negatively. So next year they are saying that like only next one they are given same way ideologies, they saying that one they creating narrow thoughts. Next one they are given creating panic and violence. We can see any incident in terrorism or terrorist what they did attacks, in the all the attacks we can get examples. They always implemented violence method. They implemented violence method, and they saying that one our society become panic. Panic means damage. Now was still some of the peoples they believing other religion peoples like that, like only if any one person did mistake means also we are giving punishment to all that one particular religion peoples, that particular religious peoples. Means we already implemented the narrow thoughts. What that one narrow thoughts? Oh, this religion people or that particular religion person only did know this like of attack. Means I think all are that like only. So these are the effects we are facing to development of terrorism. If we are given encourage to terrorism, these are the problems we want to face in our society. And next one they given, and not only this one, and we can see in this terrorism always creating fears in all over the people, where we don't know in which place they are doing the attacks or what was the methods they are using, we don't know. So people they want to live like a fear. So these like a problems we can see in terrorism. Our society, not only society, our national interest also become damaged. So on this way we can see, so these like of groups were we are given name as a anti-social act, or we given name as a anti-national act. Means they all are against the interest of nation. Means what they believes or what they implemented, what they done the achievements work, means they want to get achievements, they are doing other illegal methods. So this and all not came in our rules and regulations. So always they are doing against of nation interest. So these like of problems we can see not only in India, we can see in all over the world. Not only terrorist attacks done in only in India, no. We can see in all over the world, we can see so many attacks done by terrorists. So here they given one by one examples. For example, here they given first one is World Trade Center attack in USA, and second one bomb attacks of Bali of Indonesia, and next one they given bomb attacks like countries like France, Britain and other countries. These are the important attacks done in international level, in other countries. Terrorists they done the attacks. So here we can see why they done the attacks or why they did the attacks. Because of here they given some of the reasons. First one is religious sentiments. Who are they involved in terrorist, or they become terrorism, or they join in terrorist because of they always involved in religious sentiments. Means we can see that only orthodox. Always they believing only the negative way of religious thoughts. So this is one of the important reason why they involving in terrorism. And second one, separatism. And they're thinking why they become as a terrorist, because of they're thinking we are not a same human beings. That like they're not thinking. They're thinking always separate. We are a separate. What we are saying, that only others they want to do the work. And second one, here they're saying that one, rationalism, and here they given last one, leftist ideas. And sometimes they're saying based on colors. They're black, we are white. So this is one of the important problem, development of terrorism. And last one, leftist ideas. Some of the groups we can see in India, one of the best example for leftist ideas, that is Maoist. That is one of the party we can see in North India. They always thinking any one caste or any one group favors. So these are the main thoughts or main features we can see in terrorist or terrorism. We can see religious sentiment, separatism, and we can see rationalism, and last one we can see racism, and last one we can see here they given leftist ideas. These are the important points because to grow a terrorism. And not only these are the reasons, we can see other reasons also. Some of the country, not only a group or religious, nowadays we can see some of the country they giving encourage to terrorism, to demolish any other country, or to damage the particular national interest. So in this purpose, some of the countries they involved or they encouraging the terrorism, and they sending the money for them. So these are the matters also we can find out in terrorism. And next one, on this page we can see nowadays we can see they implementing some of the methods how the terrorists they done the attacks. So sometimes they given the method one by one. Sometimes they targeted by citizens of a country, any particular citizen of a country, because already told they have some of the ideas. On this based they are doing the attacks. Sometimes based on religion, sometimes based on race, sometimes based on leftist ideas. So in this way we can see sometimes terrorists they done the attacks based on particular citizen. They done the attacks. And second one we can see sometimes they done the attacks based of military. If any force is there particular countries, they did the attacks. And these like of attacks also we can see. And sometimes terrorists they done the attacks based on the specific language. They targeted specific language. Sometimes they targeted religion, particular religion, and sometimes race, sometimes skin. So these like of attacks maximum done in all over the world. What was the terrorist attacks done in all over the world? All also related between these are the points. Sometimes religious, sometimes political ideas, sometimes skin, sometimes race, sometimes self-interest. So in this way only we can see the example. So many have done terrorists they done the attacks. In that of what they done the attacks, if you study about that one particular reasons, we can see is there any one examples in that matters. Why they did these like of attacks? Because of to kill a peoples. That is the main intention. If you want to implement their ideology or that based on religious sentiment, they implemented only one method. They want to kill the peoples. So in that purpose for only they did the attacks. And in this based we can see they implemented different types of methods. They used explosives. Sometimes they done deadly gases. So these like of methods in terrorists, they did the attacks. And all the attacks, what they done the attacks, all are pre-planned. We can see they already did the plan, after only they implemented. We can see all the terrorist attacks. They organized first of all. After that, they checking that the methods how to implement or how to attack that particular place. After only they done the work. So this like also we can see, and nowadays we can see they are also using forward technologies. So in that ways they are doing the attacks. We can see nowadays they are using, so in that way they nowadays they attacking, they changing the methods. They always exploding the bombs or other methods in airport, railway station and market and other areas. In that place the most of the terrorist attacks done in recent days. And next one, nowadays we can see other types of methods to attack of terrorism or terrorist. We can see, for example, one is suicide bombing, and next one we can see kidnapping to the innocent peoples, and they giving torture. And sometimes they targeting only innocent peoples. So these like of methods nowadays terrorists that they implemented in their particular way or in particular ideology. So India also nowadays, in India also not accepted these are the matters. In India also facing one of the important problem, that is terrorism. Not only in other countries, we also facing the problem of terrorism. In India also some of the place in terrorists they did the attacks. One of the best example here they given, first one they given as a Taj Hotel, Mumbai in November 26, 2007. Not only this one, and we can see these like only some other attacks in Parliament House attack also. This is also terrorist attack. And some other cities also they did the attacks. We can see one by one. One is Hyderabad, second one Chennai, Bangalore, Bodh Gaya. These are the place terrorists they did the attacks. And when we are discussing about these are the terrorist attacks, we want to check, is there a terrorist group in India or they are coming in outside of country? No. In India, so some of the place the terrorist activities done in our place only. We can see in our place also some of the place the terrorist attacks is going on. Our groups we can find out in our country, in our country, in some of the place we can see the terrorist groups. So which are the state we can find out the terrorist groups or activities? So here they given one by the states, that is Nagaland, Manipur, Kashmir, Punjab. In these are the place we can see some of the terrorist groups or organizing groups, the activities is done through in these are the places. Now also we can see some of the organized terrorist group in these states. So next we want to know, and not only this one, already I told, some other countries also they are also encouraging the terrorist or terrorism. In our neighboring country, Pakistan and China, both also sometimes they want to implement their interest. So on this based, sometimes they are also encouraging the attack of terrorists. And next we want to know these type of problems we are facing. India also facing the problem of terrorism. Is there any solutions for to solve the terrorist attacks or terrorism? Is there? Our state government and the central government both also they took so much of reforms or remedies measures to control a terrorism. Because of the main responsibility of government, central government as well as state government, that is to establish peace and security life to common peoples. So in that based they implemented different types of measurement to control a terrorism. One of the important method or important activity that is the government the government is did the groups means to control a terrorism. So they done the groups. In that groups always they searching, or they always they involving to how to control the terrorism. Means we can see that terrorist or terrorism is done in our country only. Some of the states also we can see. So in this way our central government and state government both also they did the some of the activities. We can see some of the soldiers group, they done the soldiers groups. In that soldiers group, the always main aim of that particular soldiers group, that is they want to control the terrorism. We can see nowadays, recently who was studying the papers, we can see some of the security force now also they control the terrorism, and they searching who are the terrorists or they're in India, and how to solve the problems. In this way only our government, central government and state government both also they are working. And not on this one, we also want to get awareness, not only a state government or central government to provide a functions or programs to implement a control of terrorism. No, we also want to take some of the decisions or some of the changes in our society. Because of when you are studying about the history, when you are discussing about the history, who are the peoples that done the achievements? Who are the done the peoples of achievements? They not implemented the method of violence. They are not implemented methods like of violence. If you are discussing they done the work of, they implemented the violence and they done the achievements, that also only rare numbers. That like of peoples we cannot see in history. Only some members we can find out. But who are encouraged peace and non-violence? Who are encouraged peace and non-violence? These are the peoples we can see in history. They done the achieve so much. We can see that like only in history we can see who are they always encouraged truth and non-violence and peace. These like of people's names still we are remembering. So this only showing you should not give encourage to violence method. We can see best examples in India. We can see Indira Gandhi or Rajiv Gandhi. Next one here they given Gandhiji. They killed by violence peoples, or who are there in terrorist, or who are there aggressive in particular religions. They only killed by these leaders. But still peoples they remembering Gandhiji, Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi, because of they always exposed only truth, non-violence and peace. So in history also they recorded the book, they always loving the peace or truth. So that like only, and still society also they are believing that particular peoples. And not only this one, these like in history we can see some other peoples also. For example, here they given one by one name. For example, Buddha, Mahavira, Jesus, Muhammad Paigambar, Basava, Gandhi, Nehru, Ambedkar, Martin Luther, Nelson Mandela. These are the peoples. Now also still we are remembering these are the peoples. Still we are remembering. Because of they not implemented non-violence method to implement their ideology. They not implemented violence method to implement their ideology. Who are the leaders still we are remembering? They all are implemented non-violence method and only they did the achievement. So still peoples they are remembering these are the peoples. For example, Nelson Mandela, he did the struggle in South Africa because of against the race or skin color, black and white. He did not implemented violence method. He implemented non-violence method. So still South Africa peoples, not only in South Africa peoples, all over the world, still they are remembering Nelson Mandela. But who are they done in violence method? These are the peoples. Still we are remembering. Any examples? That also very rare. We can see these like of ideas implemented only kings. In that, in some of the names only we can know, but other peoples we could not remember. So this is one of the important remedies measures to solve terrorism. That is, we encouraged truth, non-violence and peace. So in our society also, they believing these only, these like of ideas, and they implemented this only in their daily life. We can solve the terrorism. So these are the important points of terrorism. Okay, thank you.